Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of English language. Today we are going to start with the demonstrative pronoun. As we have watched in our first video, we were we have learned about the types of the pronoun, what is pronoun, and till reflexive pronoun or emphasizing pronoun we have done. Today we are going to start with the demonstrative pronoun. That means this and that are demonstrative pronoun and are used instead of singular countable noun or uncountable noun. For example, in this exercise number F, fill in the blank with the suitable pronouns. How here are some pictures, it's a plural, pictures of the famous monument of Delhi. Now paste these, these in the scrap file. Hari sings song while he is in bathroom. This singular, so this angers his neighbors. Turtles are one of the longest living creature. This is an interesting fact. This is an interesting fact. Fourth, there was a power cut last night because this we could not sleep. Because of this we could not sleep. Mira can't decide between these shirts and those. Her favorite colors are pastel shades, so I think she will buy these. these. Sixth, whose pencil box is this? Question mark. Now, indefinite pronouns. These pronouns refer to the peoples or things that are not specified. Some words are given: everybody, something, many, nothing, anyone, somebody, no one. The first one, can somebody help in carrying the boxes in the second floor? Nelson Mandela achievement are known to everybody. Everybody was enjoying themselves. There is no one in the cupboard, it is empty. There, fifth one, Dash should help Meena. She is in need for her son's education. So, anyone. Can anyone? So, fifth one is anyone. Sixth, Dash has come forward to support of the leader. Somebody. Sixth, somebody. Eighth, Dash loves eating ice cream. Minnie loves eating ice cream. Now, interrogative pronouns. It means question, asking the questions. What, whose, who, which, and whom's are interrogative pronoun. For now, the exercise H. Millie, what are you doing? Millie, what are you doing? Millen, I am baking a cake. Tomorrow is a very special day. Millie, really? What is the occasion? Millen, it's my favorite person's birthday. Millie, whose is it? Millen, my grandpa's. He is turning 60 tomorrow. Millie, who gave the idea of trying your hand at baking? Millen, whom do you think? Come up. Whom do you think? Come up. with this wonderful idea? Granny. Millen. I'm surprised. Can I help you in baking the cake? Millen. Of course. Please bring the packet here. Millie. Sure. Which of these packets do you want? Millen. The one that was baking powder and cocoa. Millie. Who bought these from the market? I bought these from the market. Can you guess whom I met at the shop? Millie. Whom did you meet? Was it your neighbor, Golu uncle? Millen. Wow, you are right. Now come here and beat the eggs whites. Then the reflexive pronoun. These pronouns relate to a noun mentioned in these sentences. Now, join the pair using the suitable reflective pronoun. The dog wants to play with the ball. Here we will write which the baby is playing with the ball. Uncle Pat bought a watch which the watch has diamonds studded on its dial. He is a man I saw whom whom last night whom I saw last night at the concert. Dolphins are the fish that can communicate with human beings. Then Rahul found the pencil box which had been looking for. Jio Dil Se is a radio channel which organized talk show on leading a better lifestyle. Now distributive or reciprocal pronoun means each, either, neither words are distributive or a reciprocal pronoun. Exercise J. Fill in the blanks with the suitable pronouns. After working for several hours, Mahesh was tired. He took a break. Geeta gifted my parents a set of watch on their wedding anniversary. They thanked her for the beautiful present. Jishan plays football at the club which is near the Kamla market. Romeo and Juliet love one another. The fireworks at the Central Bridge are watched and enjoyed by everyone. There is a fast food outlet which serves Mexican foods. There are two cats in the veranda. Which is yours? It's a question. So, which is yours? Sania Mirza is an Indian lawn tennis player who has won numerous international titles. Don't touch the pen drive, it is mine. Everybody is going to watch the India Australia match today. Please ask Ms. Suhani if she is free to meet us on Monday 12th. Everybody need to give her best. Only then the team can perform well. We are the children who climbed up the trees. Then Can you help me? Can you help me find a book on kangaroos? So that's all for today's session. We will meet in our next session with new topics. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.